Hey guys, in this video here I'm just going to show you how easy it actually is to use one of these network adapters for your smartphone. Now in this video I'm going to show you actually how to connect one of these directly to your iPhone, because this is what I use. Now you can see this device here, I'm kind of pointing to it here, this white device. And really what it does, it just simply plugs into the bottom of your iPhone. It just plugs right directly into the lightning connector. And it really is just simple kind of plug and play here. And if you notice at the bottom of this device here, I've got my Ethernet cable. Now this is the cable here that you need to run directly back to your router. Or you might be connecting this back to maybe a network switch if you're kind of distributing your internet that way. I mean, either way, either connection will work here. So you guys kind of need to decide for yourself. You need to look at where your router is, and you need to look at where you want to be using your cell phone and this network adapter. You really need to know how far away you're going to be, because that'll decide what kind of length of cable that you guys need to buy. And this is just a general kind of Ethernet cable. The one I'm using here is a Cat6 cable. But what you guys kind of need to know is the length of cable that you need to buy. Now you also notice here on the left hand side here we've got our generic kind of lightning kind of cable here that comes with your iPhone. You can see there's the USB connector. So with this cable here, what you could do is you could plug this directly into your charger. So you could actually charge your device with this network adapter as well. So there's a feature available there. But personally, I don't recommend that you guys kind of do that while you're using your device. And that's just because you're going to introduce, this is a power cable, so you're going to be introducing some more EMFs to your environment here, and this is what we're trying to eliminate. So now I'm just going to kind of show you guys how easy it is to really connect this thing. It's really just a simple plug and play. So the first thing that we need to do is make our connection here to the bottom of your phone. Make sure that you have your Ethernet cable connected to your router. And then the next thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that we want to turn off all of the wireless signals, because we don't want any wireless signals coming to our phone when we're using this, right? That's kind of the whole point. So really what we're going to do here is we're just going to go ahead and open up the settings tab. Now when you do that, you just kind of go to the main screen that opens up, and at the very top here you can see these are all of our network connections. You can see we've got airplane mode, we've got Wi-Fi. Now this new section will be available as soon as you plug this device into the bottom and make your connection to your router. So this will be done automatically. And if we go ahead and kind of just click that, you can see now we have a local area network connection available. So if we kind of back out here into the main screen, what we need to do now is we need to kind of disable or turn off all the wireless features on our phone. So one easy way to kind of do this is just to kind of go back to the main home screen here. Just go up to the top right corner and just kind of slide that down. And what you can see in the top left corner here is these are all your network connections here. You can see we got airplane mode. You can see this little button here is for your data plan that actually connects you to the cell phone towers. That's what this button is here. Then we have our Wi-Fi button, and then we have our Bluetooth button. So really what we want to do is we want to make sure all of these are turned off, because we don't want any of this wireless coming to our phone while we're using it hardwired, right? That's the whole point here. So what you could do is you could manually kind of toggle all three of these off. That's one way you can do it. With my phone here, what I can do is just hit airplane mode, and all three of them turn off automatically. So now what we're going to do is we're going to test this device out. As you can see, we've turned off all of the wireless. You can see in the top right corner there, we got our airplane mode is enabled. So I'm just going to open up, I've opened up Safari here. I'm just going to open up an internet page here just to kind of show you guys that we have internet available. So I just kind of hit Google. You see Google popped up there. I've also just kind of opened up my home page, my Energyalignment Solutions page here, as you can see. So what we got is a connection to the internet, and we have no wireless data happening at all. So this is a great way for you guys to kind of reduce some of the wireless EMFs in your home. So one other quick thing I just wanted to kind of mention to you guys is that if you guys are using your cell phone on a regular basis and you want to go hardwired like this, we have to also consider the fact that all our cell phones have a battery. And this battery as well is known to kind of produce their own unique energy field. And when you actually put your hand underneath the phone, you're actually making direct contact pretty close to where the battery is. And this introduces some other issues, and I know Jessie has had some problems with this when she uses her phone on a regular basis, that her hand starts to heat up, starts to get kind of tingly and even painful at times. So this is something else for you guys to be aware of, because in another video I'm going to show you guys there are some things that we can do to kind of help with this as well. And one thing is, you can actually put your phone in a special case. So there are some cases available that can help with this. And at the same time, there's actually gloves that you can wear on your hand. And I know Jessie has tried this out as well, and she said it's been quite helpful to kind of use these gloves to kind of block that EMF field that's coming off your battery. So a few other things to consider, and we'll cover those in other videos. But for this video here, I'm going to kind of bring it to a close. But if you guys are interested in kind of purchasing one of these, just head over to my energyalignmentsolutions.com website and just click the products tab. And there's a section there for EMF products that I'm kind of adding more and more products to this page. And these are products that I have used myself and products that I've tested. And you can go ahead and you guys can find this there if you are interested in purchasing one. And in the next video here, what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of show you guys with my meters really how effective this device is. I'm going to actually show you the wireless signals that would be normally coming to your phone when you're using it. And when you actually use one of these devices, you'll see that these signals disappear. So we are actually improving, the level of this electromagnetic stress in our environment. And if there's any way that we can reduce some of the levels of EMFs, these wireless EMFs in our environment, we really need to do that, guys. And it's little simple things like this that you can do that will really kind of go a long way. Anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you later.